What's going on, everyone? My name is Zach and this is Ultimate Rebuilds. Today is the finale, the conclusion, everything is done with the Volkswagen Mini Bikes, both of them actually. So sit back, stay tuned, and let's see what happens. Now I have a few plans today. We need to do a little bit of work on the blue mini bike. By a little bit, I mean I need to put a whole new engine in it. We'll get to that soon, and I have to finish up the electric mini bike. We have some wiring issues along with the lights and stuff that we need to fix. So let's get to that. Now, starting with the blue mini bike. Now, as you may know, or if you watched the videos on it, it has an electric Predator Harbor Freight motor in it. It's a 212cc motor, and it's fun, but it is very scary and very dangerous, as you can see in this video. Yeah, that was my friend trying to turn around in my grass and he wrecked it. It is very hard to drive, not very safe at all. So, and I want to ride this thing a lot. I don't want to be scared to ride it, and I haven't rode it since that video. So that's really my reasoning for wanting to put a new engine in it, a smaller engine. So I bought a new Harbor Freight Predator 79cc engine. That's the original engine that actually came out of this mini bike before all the work went into it. So we're gonna throw it on there, and it's gonna be nice and new, and hopefully a lot safer. Well, we'll see when we go to it.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. I can see the light, but I can see.
All right, the engine is in. Everything is gone. I'm gonna pretend like I haven't already test drove it and everything. But yep, I already put the emblem back on it, and I had to customize some of the throttle linkages just because I didn't want to buy a new one, and this whole throttle linkage isn't really set up for a actual whole throttle assembly. So you have to do a little bit of working around that, but it wasn't super hard. I even went ahead and wrapped the exhaust. I had a few comments saying that I should wrap it, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. As you may notice, I flipped the clutch around so I can get the engine underneath better. That was a problem I was having with the other engine. It was way offset and it was kind of hard to balance everything. But yeah, it is a lot more fun now. It is really safe to drive. I actually really enjoy driving this thing now. I didn't drive it very much with that other engine in it, so this is good. I like it a lot more now. Now let's switch over to the electric mini bike and work on the lights and wiring.
I'm not in the mood, thought you'll be here soon. Everything feels wrong, guess I'm just in a bad mood.
Okay, let's quickly go over everything else I did to the wiring as in light situation. First off, I eliminated the whole turn signal concept thing. It was just too much of a headache and not really for that cool of an outcome. It was just going to make that blink and the rear blink. It's not going to help with the left or right turn signal. It's just going to make them blink. So instead of dealing with all that wiring, I just switched to regular headlight switch and a regular horn. No turn signals, not like you could use them anyway. That's out of the way. So for the wiring, it's just very simple. 2 wires to the headlight, 2 wires to brake light, and 2 wires to the rear tail light. And then 1 wire up here. I got a new headlight. This is an all LED headlight. It actually comes with like these little side markers if you wanted to do turn signals or like a halo kind of thing. I didn't hook it up because I didn't want to run more wires there and have another switch. But that would be a cool thing if someone wanted to buy it and actually do it. And maybe even do like some kind of halo or underglow lights for the whole thing if they wanted to do that. I don't want to do it, so that's up to you guys if you ever want to do that. I'm waiting for the screw to come in to hold this thing together, but it's staying up there for now. This all works. That all works. Let me turn on the switch. It is much brighter than the last one, than the original headlight. All that works. All these have LEDs in them. You saw me install. And then, see if I can get the brake to come on. See, there's brake lights now. So, very simple. I just went with the whole easy route. I don't want to deal with the headache of trying to wire up turn signals. It's just too much work. And thank you all for the comments about switching to all LEDs. It's definitely not heating anything up anymore. Yeah, this has been on and off a lot, and no wires are heating up. Nothing weird's happening. So thank you guys. Now let's throw this cover on and throw some gas in the other mini bike, and we can start racing them. I was gonna ask you which one you're gonna choose.
Oh, do I choose now?
Yeah, which one do you want to drive?
I want to drive the yellow one.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna do a quick little race, just kind of drag strip race style. We're gonna race down to that white mailbox, 2nd or 3rd mailbox, you can see. She's gonna go ahead and start at number 1, and we're gonna work our way up, do 3 or so different races, switch back and forth between mini bikes to see who's, like the weight plays a difference or anything like that, because obviously I weigh a little bit more than her. So we're gonna just go through it, I guess. Well, it's no surprise to me that the electric is a lot faster, especially since I changed out the engine for a much smaller engine. It is a lot safer and a lot more fun to drive now, just because of the whole not flipping it every time you pull the throttle. But this is a good daily drive around. The different speeds are really nice. The blue one was faster with the speed on 1, but anything after that, it was just beating it really bad. So that is pretty much a wrap for the electric build. I'm going to throw a few shots of me just driving it around and then getting some video of it. But yeah, it's fast. It is faster than this one. I do have to say I do like driving this one a little bit more. it just, the whole electric motor just doesn't feel the same as a actual engine. So that's all I have to say about it. And that's a wrap for this episode, guys. I have one more video coming out for the electric mini bike. It is kind of what I did for this blue one. It's a full summary of everything happened. Is a build. It's quickly goes over the build in 10 minutes or so. And I have a little bit extra footage I'm going to throw at the end of that too. But yeah, it is all done. Both of them are completely done. I'm not going to do anything else to them. I'm done. It's not that I don't love working on these, but I just have other projects I really want to get to and really want to work on. So that's it. We're done. Might build another one in the future, who knows? But as for right now, they are done. Now to answer everyone's question, the yellow one is going to be up for sale. It's pretty much up for sale right now. If you guys want to place an offer, I don't really have a price. I have a little price point in my head. But if you are very interested in buying it, you can go ahead and email me right here if you want to place an offer. If not, I'm going to wait a few weeks and I'm probably going to throw it up on eBay just to see what happens. As for the blue mini bike, I am not planning on selling this one anytime soon. It's what started my channel off, basically. It's what made me what I am today, I think. I hope so. So this is kind of my build. I think I want to keep it for a while. I might change my mind in the future, or if someone offers me something I cannot refuse. But as for right now, this one's mine. This one's staying with me. But the yellow one is up for sale. I built it. We're planning on selling it. And kind of just like a homage to the build, because I know a lot of people want to buy one, but don't want to build one-ish. And I'm not building anymore, so if you want to buy it, make me an offer. I can't refuse. And that is a conclusion to this whole series. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys liking, commenting, all this other stuff, subscribing even. Thank you guys so much. If you want any more information about when I post or when I post the yellow mini bike up for sale, I'm going to post it on my Instagram first. That's what I usually do, post stuff on my Instagram. So if you want to check me out there, if you have an Instagram, want to check me out, you can check me out there. Just check me out. Alright guys, that is it. I'm done. These mini bikes are done. I'm done. Goodbye.